up, bread getters? Right now, just got something in the mail today by La Candy Cane. We're gonna install it and everything. You already know what we do. So let's get straight to it. Let me show y'all what it is. Pretty badass if you ask me. The truck's about to get looking better. You already know, like always. So here we go. First product we're gonna show. There's gonna be one of them. So you guys can't see. They're basically gonna be some headlights. Look at that, look at that. Sheesh. Got them with the DRL, fucking LED thing, whatever. They're looking sick, man. Fucking love them. I probably shouldn't be cussing that much, but you already know. They look dope as fuck. Oh shit. So as you guys can see, these are gonna be the new headlights. Got a whole pair of them, so they're gonna look dope. Let me get another one, the other side, real quick. Got them all clear. And then the bottom of it, look at that. They look dope. The inside of it also has got the, you know, the LED strip. They look sick. They look real sick. Now I just gotta figure out how to install them, obviously, with the black and white wire here. I saw a couple of videos on it, but we still gotta see how we're gonna do it. So we'll see what's up. Other than that, stay tuned for the video, guys. If y'all like it, you know, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys want to know and all that good stuff in the comment section. Stay tuned for the video. Lastly, get that bread. We'll be right back. We're gonna go install these lights in the truck right now. So stay tuned. You know, see what's gonna go down. The finished product. Probably go cruise around in them later tonight. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. As you guys can see, I already got one side out. That's how I was looking. Took off the whole grill. You already know. I thought I was gonna take this side off too, but got the LED strips there too. You already know. That's how I was looking. Be right back. As you guys can see, we got everything out, both sides. Just need to take out those headlights. Got everything laid out over here. The grill or whatever, and the brand new headlights in here. We thought we'd take them out. Right now we're about to take off these two more screws, there and there. So here we go. As you guys can see, took off the radiator header, took it all off. It's all over here, so I can take off the headlights easier. It's already dark. Look at the full moon over there. Can't even see it that well. It's dark as shit though. It's barely 7:17. So let's get started. I'm gonna put the new shit in. You already know. Look at this. I'm gonna put the new stuff in. So be right back. Be right back. You already know what's about to happen. So see it. So guys, we just ran into a problem. As I was taking off the headlights, but I've been looking at some videos or whatever about these brackets right here, but I noticed that my brackets are broken. So you can see a little bit of glue or some shit. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do and how to take it all off. So be right back. You already know. Maybe I would save it for tomorrow. I don't know, but I want to see them on tonight. So just stay tuned. Be right back. Let's figure out what I'm about to do. So guys, I was able to get them loose or whatever, but there's this one tornillo that I can't take out because on the other side, on the opposite side, it's glued in. Watch this. It's glued in right here, as you guys can see. So that's gonna be a pain to get out. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. So right now, I already put everything away because I'm gonna need to finish it tomorrow because there's not enough light or nothing. But I do got the, put these in already. They're already on the outer part or whatever. You already see them. Got both of them on. So right now, I'm just putting everything away. I'm gonna need to wait for tomorrow to finish it off. So, be right back. To you guys, it's gonna be like nothing. For me, I gotta wait a whole day. So, stay tuned. Be right back. So guys, so basically, we're Monday now. Sunday, I was able to finish it finally. I was able to put them on and everything. That was a big trouble, like so much trouble. And to find the adjusting for it and everything, to find it real good. That shit took a while. So that took all day yesterday. Now it's Monday. So Monday right now, we're basically just gonna do all the wiring that we gotta do and run it inside to one of the switches that are inside that you guys seen on the center console. So let's do that right now. By the end of the night, you're gonna see the lights full effect. So be right back. You already know what we're about to do. Stay tuned. So guys, we basically just brought up the wire, and right now we're running it throughout the entire frame. You guys can see this wire right here through the entire frame. See right here, we connected this side of the headlights, and then through the inside of the frame. You guys can't even see it, but watch this. You can see that wire goes in throughout the whole front, and then it comes out right here, and then so that it could connect. Just drop the tip. And so it could connect to this side. So be right back. I was able to connect the lights to the switches that I got here. So this one, the third one, controls the lights, and the other ones control the LEDs. So what is up, regulators? So as you guys can see, finally got it fully done. Got the headlights in and everything. They all work and everything. So straight up vibing, looking clean, real clean. So hopefully you guys liked today's video. Took a while, 3-day process for me, because shit was a pain in the ass, not gonna lie. So hopefully you guys like the way the truck looks now. Oh shit. Hopefully y'all like the way the truck looks now and everything. You guys can't see it there, but look at that. Love how they came out. Look at that. Whew. So hopefully y'all like the way the truck came out. Other than that, thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what to do. Go follow all the social media in the description. Other than that, good job, right, as always. Stay tuned for the next video. You already know what goes down. Catch y'all later.